Hey guys, welcome back to Ask RIPP, where we answer your questions. Today's a pretty easy one, and we get it quite often. What's the difference between the RIPP Standard Supercharger and the Heritage? Okay, well, I'll show you here with our little display, and it couldn't be any easier. It basically has to do with the gear case. So the V3 SI Supercharger has two different gear case options. One is the Heritage, and the Heritage has a straight cut gear, which makes more noise, very similar to, let's say, a Hellcat. Power delivery, boost delivery is all the same. It's just a noisier drive for those who want to have that whine while coming on boost and tell people where it's at. The Standard actually has a helical cut gear. The gear is cut on an angle, very much like the differential in your car, so it's very, very quiet going down the road. So it's important to understand that from a power perspective, they'll both deliver the same amount of power and the same amount of boost over the same amount of RPM, just one will be noisier and the other one will be quieter. Thanks.